Alright, this is the 2011 Eastern Mothra. Comes with this stock Eastern blue rims right here. It came with clear Eastern grips. All my grips ripped, so all I had was Schwinn, so fucking gay. I put on a new snafu seat. It's alright. It's not pivotal, but I need pivotal. It came with clear this Eastern pedals. I bought a kink static sprocket. It's supposed to be like the ocean or something. I have no clue. And that's about it. It's pretty light. Not that loud of a hub though. Very quiet. So 2011 Eastern Mothra probably weighs about like 22. Pretty good bike.